Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil on Buick Encore GX, full guide. Park vehicle on level ground, set the parking brake, and block the wheels. Lift the vehicle safely with a jack and support with jack stands. Warm the engine briefly, then drain the old oil into a pan and remove the old filter. Inspect the drain, plug, and gasket, then prepare to install the new filter and fresh oil. Begin by warming the engine for a short time to reduce oil viscosity and improve flow. Position a drain pan under the oil pan and carefully loosen the drain plug, watching for hot oil. Allow all oil to drain until the flow slows to a drip. While oil drains, remove the old oil filter and inspect for debris or metal fragments. Clean the drain plug, replace the gasket if needed, and prepare the new filter for installation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. I saw a great book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with practical DIY skills for smarter living. Check the description for the link and other deals related to tools and parts you might need, and now let's get back to the video. Lubricate the new oil filter gasket with fresh oil and hand tighten it securely, following any torque guidance. Reinstall and torque the drain plug, then add the manufacturer-specified amount and grade of new oil through the filler neck. Start the engine and let it run for a minute while checking for leaks at the filter and drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then recheck the oil level with the dipstick and add oil if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.